Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, loaded with features. Features also include cloth seats, rear view camera, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback